Ngayon lang po ulit ako nakagawa ng video. Pero ngayon po ay mag-try po muli ako na magpakapela. At pagpasensyahan na lang po kung ganito yung lightings kasi gabi po. At hindi ko po gaano nalakasan yung boses ko po. Kasi kung titignan niyo po sa aming paligid ngayon po ay gabi. Pero challenge ko po ito na akapela. At ang naisip ko pong kantahin ngayong gabi, ngayong madaling araw, ay Thinking of You by Katy Perry in male's perspective and male version. Tama po ay magustuhan ko ninyo. Comparisons are easily done once you've had a taste of hanging from a tree. I picked the ripest one. I still got a seed. You said move on, where do I go? I guess second best is all I will know. 'Cause when I'm with her, I am thinking of you.
Oh my God.
Thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who were spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your eyes. You're like an Indian summer in the middle of the winter, like a hard candy with a surprise center. How do I get better once I've had the best? You said there's tons of fish in the water, so the water's silent test.
Oh no.
She kissed my lips, I taste your mouth. Oh, she pulled me in, I was disgusted with myself. 'Cause when I'm with her, I am thinking of you. Thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your the best, and yet I do regret how I can let myself let you go now. Now the lessons learned I touched if I was burned. Oh, I thinking you should know. 'Cause when I'm what you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your past in the door and take me away. Oh, no more mistakes. 'Cause in my eyes, I'd like to stay. Thank you po. Mga ba yung nagustuhan niyo pong aking acapella challenge? video.
This is not a dream.